Now we continue with exercise 8.5. Question number 5. Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning. So distance walked by Naresh in the morning is 2 km 35 meter and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. Distance walked by Naresh in the evening is 1 km 7 meter. So what we have to find, how much distance did he walk in all? So we have to find the total distance walked by Naresh. So we have to find the total distance walked by Naresh. So how we can find out the total distance walked? How we can find? So we have to add. So in order to find out the total distance, we have to add the value, decimal values, or add the distances. Now how we can write the first step? Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning. So the first step is distance walked in the morning. Distance walked in the morning. So the distance walked in the morning is 2 km 35 meter. Now we have to express this 2 km 35 meter in terms of decimal. So 2 km 35 meter means it is 2 km plus 35 meter. That is the meaning. 2 km plus 35 meter. So this 35 meter we have to convert it into kilometer. So how we can convert a meter to kilometer? What we have to do? We have to divide the given quantity by 1000, because 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, or 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So in order to convert a meter to kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. So we can write it as 2 km plus 35 by 1000. Then we will get the value in terms of a kilometer. Now after 1 we have 3 zeros. Look at the number in the numerator. We have to move how many digits to the right? We have to move 3 digits, and after that we have to put the decimal point. 1, 2. Now third digit is not there. So what we have to do? We have to put a 0. Then put the decimal point. And the whole number part is not there. So we can put a 0 in the whole number part. So 35 by 1000 equal to 0.035 kilometer. So which is equal to 2 kilometer plus 0.035 kilometer. Then 2 kilometer plus 0.035 kilometer means, which is equal to 2.035 kilometer. So if you can straight away write down this answer, you can write it straight away. Otherwise, you convert this meter into kilometer and write it. So 2 km 35 meter is equal to 2.035 kilometer. Now next step, distance walked in the evening. Distance walked in the evening. Distance walked in the evening is equal to 1 km 7 meters. 1 km 7 meter. So this one also you have to convert. 1 km 7 meter. So 1 km 7 meter means, which is equal to 1 km plus 7 meters. Then 7 meters we can convert it into kilometer. That is 1 km plus 7 by 1000. Then we will get the answer in kilometer. Then which is equal to 1 km plus, now look at that, after 1 we have 3 zeros, so we have to move 3 digits to the right, and after that we have to put the decimal point. So first we have 7, we need 2 more digits, so that is not present there, so we can put 2 zeros. Then after that the decimal point. Then the whole number part is not there, so we can put 0. So 7 by 1000 kilometer means it is 0.007 kilometer. Then equal to 1 kilometer plus 0.007 kilometer, which means 1.007 kilometer. So the distance walked in the evening is 1.007 kilometer. Now look at that, 1 kilometer plus 0.007 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 we can write it in the decimal form. Look at that, here we have 3 decimal places. So 1 we can write it as 1.00. So after the decimal point we can add extra zeros, we can put extra zeros. There is no change for the value. So 1.00 the plus 0.007. So when you add it, what you will get? 7001. So the answer will be 1.007 kilometer. Now we have to find out the total distance walked. Total distance walked equal to 2.035 kilometer, that is the distance walked in the morning, plus distance walked in the evening, that is 1.007 kilometer. Before adding, what you have to look into? You have to look into whether they are like decimals. Count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. So we can say that 2.035 and 1.007 are like decimals. Now we can straight away add it. 2.035 plus 1.007. Now we have to add it. So we have to start from here, it is a 10th, 100th, 1000th. So you have to start from the 1000th place onwards. 7 plus 5, 12, carry over 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 0 plus 0, 0, then write down the decimal point, put the decimal point, then 2 plus 1, 3. So we can write down the answer as 3.042 kilometer. Therefore, the total distance travelled is equal to, or the total distance walked. Here, total distance walked is equal to 3.042 kilometer. Then this 3.042 kilometer, we can say that it is a 3 kilometer 42 meters. 3 kilometer 42 meters. Now next question. Sunita travelled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus, 7 kilometer 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residence? Now Sunita travelled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus. So the distance travelled by bus is 15 kilometer 268 meter. Then the distance travelled by car is 7 kilometer 7 meters. Then the distance travelled on foot is 500 meters. Now the question is how far is her school from her residence? So what we have to find out? We have to find out the total distance travelled by Sunita. We have to find. So how we can find out the total distance travelled by Sunita? We have to add. Then how we can write down the steps? The first step is distance travelled by bus. Distance travelled by bus. Distance travelled by bus equal to 15 kilometer 268 meters. Now what we have to do? We have to express this 15 kilometer 268 meter in a decimal form. So how we can write it in the decimal form? The last problem we saw that we have to convert this 268 meter in kilometers. So 15 kilometer 268 meter, we can write 15 kilometer plus 268 meters, then which is equal to 15 kilometer plus 268 divided by 1000. Then we will get the answer in kilometers. So which is equal to 15 kilometer plus 268 divided by 1000. So we have 3 zeros after 1. So we have to get 3 places. That means we have to move 3 places to the right, starting from the unit place. 1, 2, 3, and after that we have to put the decimal point. So the whole number part is not present, so we can put 0 in the whole number part. So 0.268 kilometer. Now when we add it, what you will get? 15, we can write it as 15.000. So we can make 15 kilometer, we can write in terms of a decimal as 15.00. Then we have to add 0.268. So when we add it, we will get it as 15.268. So that 15.268 kilometer. So that is the distance travelled by bus. Now the next is the distance travelled by car. So distance travelled by car. Is equal to 7 kilometer 7 meters. 7 kilometer 7 meters equal to. So how we can write it in the decimal form? 7 kilometer 7 meters, that means 7 kilometer plus 7 meters. Now this meter we have to convert it into kilometer. So which is equal to 7 kilometer plus 7 by 1000. Then it will be in kilometer. Now 7 by 1000 means 7 kilometer plus. So we have a 7 in the unit place, and we need, after 1 we have 3 zeros. So we have to move 3 digits to the right, starting from the unit place. So 7 is already there, we need 2 more digits. So we can put a 0, and the whole number part is not present. So we can put 0 in the whole number part. So 0.007 kilometer. Then 7 kilometer plus 0.007 kilometer means what you will get? Which is equal to 7.007 kilometer. So that is the distance travelled by car. Now we have one more distance is there, distance travelled on foot. How much is that? 500 meters. So distance travelled on foot. Distance travelled on foot equal to 500 meters. So this 500 meters we have to convert it into kilometer. So what we have to do? We have to divide by 1000. So 500 divided by 1000. Then it will be in kilometer equal to. So 500 is the number. So we have to move, after 1 we have 3 zeros. So we have to move 3 digits to the right. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then after that we have to put the decimal point. Then the whole number part is not there. So we can put 0 in the whole number part. So 0.500 kilometer. So the distance travelled on foot is 0.500 kilometer. Now we have to find out the total distance travelled. So total distance travelled equal to distance travelled by bus is 15.268 kilometer plus distance travelled by car, that is 7.007 kilometer, plus distance travelled on foot 0.500 kilometer. Now we have to look into whether they are like decimals. Before adding, count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what we can say that all the three decimal numbers are like decimals. Now we can add the decimals. 15.268, write down the first decimal number. Then under the first one, write down the second one, so that the decimal point, you have to look into the decimal point should be in straight. So 7 point, look at the places also, 7.007, 7 is in the unit place, so you have to write under 5. Next is a 0.500, so 0 will be in the whole number part, then 500. Now we have to add it. Then starting from the 1000th place, we have to add it. So 8 plus 7, 15, carry over 1. Then 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2, 7. Next decimal point comes, put the decimal point. Then 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. Then carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So here look at that, ones, tens. Tens place, here we have no digit, so we can put 0 there. Here also we have no digit, so we can put the 0 there. Okay, then 7 plus 5, 12, carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So we can say that the total distance travelled is 22.775 kilometer. So we can say that what is the question? Now look at that, the question is, how far is her school from her residence? So we can say that her school is how much kilometer away from her residence? 22.775 kilometer away from her residence. So 22.775 kilometer. Then 22.775 kilometer means it is a 22 kilometers 775 meters. 22 kilometers 775 meters. Now homework, exercise 8.5, question number 7. That's all for today's class. Thank you.